When it comes to China travel, you might have come across these stunning views while scrolling through your feed. To enjoy a wonderful trip in China, the first basic issue to solve after arriving is mobile communication.
So, how do you get a SIM card? Here is a guide I compiled. If you're in a hurry, take a screenshot of it for later use. If you prefer not to get a local SIM card immediately, remember to activate the international roaming or global eSIM service of your overseas SIM card before your trip.
Once you reconnect to the internet, the next step is to learn how to scan QR codes. In China, your phone is your mobile wallet. To use mobile payments, you need these two must-have apps, Alipay and WeChat. From downloading the apps to scanning to pay, foreign vloggers have shown all the details for you.
So first step, we are going to download Alipay app. Terms of condition. Enter your phone number. You can choose your country phone number. We better fill this information out. Yeah, you have to add your credit card. Now enter your bank. So let's try it out. Can you invite me for coffee, please? Yeah!
Yes, of course.
Once you've sorted out the issues of mobile network and mobile payments, the next step is getting from the airport to the urban areas smoothly to start your adventure.
I don't have much luggage today, so I'll be taking the Beijing Daxing Airport Express train. There are two options provided for you. Over here, you can buy the economy class tickets, and over there, you can buy the business class tickets if you want.
In China, your phone can also be your transit card.
可是老公，我们怎么进去？没有买票。
我已经弄好了，可以扫码就可以进去了。
Based on the rules of each city's subway system, just activate the ride code or download the local subway app, and you're able to take the subway with a quick scan. Besides the subway, you can also take city buses or use ride-hailing services to get downtown.
You need to check out routes and departure times on the Daxing Airport bus lines, which are available in both Chinese and English. To determine your desired route and its departure time, then you can buy a ticket via the WeChat Mini Program, official platform of the airport shuttle bus, or by scanning the QR code on the ticketing machine. You can have English service at the ticket selling counter. For ride-hailing services, book a ride with your phone, confirm the designated pickup location with the driver, and arrive on time.
Beyond these three travel hacks, in China, many cities also offer you a lot of considerate services. One-stop entry facilitation service counters have been set up at airports in many Chinese cities, such as the Beijing Service Airport Service Counters at Beijing Capital International Airport and Beijing Daxing International Airport, which can provide a full range of services, including SIM card activation and travel information. You can also download the Sino Guide app, launched by the National Immigration Administration of China, for more China travel tips. Every detail is thoughtfully covered to make your journey smoother. All right, mobile network, payments, and transportation. The three essentials for traveling in China are now all set. So, what are you waiting for? Start your stress-free China adventure now.